So you guys have been wondering a little bit about the waste oil burner that I've got, and um, it used to be a wood stove, hence the door in the front. It's a little janky as to how it works. It needs a little more refinement, but I've got a waste oil tank here that I put my fuel or my waste oil in, and then I've got a heater that I got off of Amazon for a pretty reasonable price. Helps keep the oil at a decent temperature. It runs through a line and then comes over top through a copper line, and I've got miscellaneous junk sitting on top of it to help keep the heat, as a heat sink. And I've got a very large fuel oil burner with a 2.5 gallon per hour nozzle, and it blows like nobody's business. I start it on fuel oil that I keep in that tank that feeds on down, and I've got a couple of valves to control the flow, and right now it's running straight waste oil. I apologize about the little bit of a mess. I had to do some work on it. And this guy burns pretty darn good. Currently I figure it runs somewhere between 600 and 700,000 BTUs for the amount of oil that goes through it. To run a thermostat on it, I've got a thermostat off of a water heater, and I'll just plug the burner into here. Right now it's currently up temperature, so it would automatically shut off. So I have it, plugged into a standard outlet. I've got the red light, so I know that I have left it on, and I'm not too far away from it, but right now it's putting out about 140 degrees, probably 2.5-3 feet away from the stove. And I have a thermostatically controlled fan that blows it across the shop, and yeah, it keeps things good and toasty.